Why I look like Donald Trump?
Good, love me, feel so numb, ride me, ride me, ride me, ride me, ride, 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 ride me.
What's up, beauties? It's Lindsay. Welcome back to my wow. What's up, beauties? It's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing swell. I started today on a very rough foot, you know, a rough note, a flat note. I don't know, but I did, and I was not having a good day. I took a nap, I woke up, and I got a package. Girl, I got a package from Ririhair. They have sent me a new wig, which I'm sorry, I was gonna wait to unbox it on camera, but I couldn't wait. This is the most perfect blonde wig I have ever received. I don't need to touch up anything. I don't need to recolor anything. I don't need to tone anything. I am shook. I was like, God, is that you? You guys know I have shown a handful of blonde units or extensions here on this channel, but I always like either have to tone it a little bit more or it's just like not to my liking 100%. This wig, I love it, okay? So if you guys have never ordered from Ririhair before, their wigs are like premium, I'm telling you. For not like the super expensive prices, I've seen wigs that are like over $1,000 and it's like they get the same look for a fraction of the price. But I will show you guys a little unboxing. This is what their beautiful boxes look like. And then you can check out their website at ririhair.com. Even the boxes are premium. Like, do you see this? It's not no ordinary cardboard box. Inside the box, you'll get the wig, obviously. I know you guys are like mad that I haven't shown the wig yet, but I'm gonna show you in a second. Someone's gonna comment like, video starts at 3:07. So they gave me this beautiful sky blue comb. Like, do you all see this color? I'm here for the color. This is a little brush for your baby hairs for the wig. And this is the first one I own that's not an actual toothbrush. This is what the brush looks like, so that will get all the little hairs and everything in place. And then on the other side of it, you can see it's just like a little baby mini comb. Yes, camera quality. You see that? All right, you get a wig cap. You also get a thank you note. We love a good thank you note. And then you get the product card that tells you everything about your wig. So y'all ready to see it? I don't think y'all are ready. Look at me. Ooh! Talk about a perfect ash blonde. I'm shook. I can't. Can we talk about this color transition? Can we talk about how this is not a straight line and it fades gradually and that ombre is on 10? Can we talk about it? Can we talk about the inside of the cap and the comfort we got going on here? We've got adjustable straps. We even have, they had a, I took it off because I don't really like them. It makes the wig a little too tight for me. But the elastic band that can hook into here like a bra strap, girl, get it. All right, so I'm gonna cut this lace off really quick and then I'll come back and we'll get it popping. The wig doesn't really have a defined part, but it kind of goes to the left side. So we're just gonna, oh, y'all see them flakes? I just washed my hair, what the heck? And I'm not using a mirror, so we're just gonna go ahead with this viewfinder and make it do what it do, all right? So you guys have seen my wig application videos before. If you haven't, I will link the other Ririhair video below if you haven't, because it's the same thing. We're going down. Apply it like that. Oh, I need to sneeze. Excuse me. Okay, so the wig is on. I'm actually gonna style it off camera just because I don't know what I want to do with it yet. And this hair does not require a lot of styling. As you can see, look at it already. I'll stand up for you guys. Standing up for you guys so you can see the hair itself. You can see it up close and then see what that looks like against my complexion. So it is very, very ashy. As you can see, there are not any baby hairs. So you can definitely customize the hairline if you want to pluck these out, create some baby hairs, which I'm probably about to do just because it's very like just straight across, like I got a lasered hairline. So I'm gonna go touch that up real quick and then we'll be back. All right, so your girl is back. I glued the wig on and I just brought a little bit of hairs from this side over to this side because there are no baby hairs in this wig, but I did want to have a little something, you know, have a little. This is the ash blonde with highlight virgin Brazilian hair lace front wig. This is the SOFIA unit. So if you go on ririhair.com and just type in SOFIA, S-O-F-I-A, that is what this unit is. It is Brazilian virgin hair, like I said, 18 inches. I did not trim it at all, so you still see all 18 inches in there, which, stand up for you guys. It comes a little bit past my boob, like right at the rib cage. That's 18 inches on me. The hair color is the same as Pick, Wig Density 130%. It is a medium cap size, which normally I order a small, and I'm trying to figure out, because I thought I ordered a small, but maybe they just run small. I don't know. But this is the medium cap size, 22.5 inches. So just throwing that out there. And then there's also the elastic band. I showed you guys the little hooks inside. I honestly don't know what I did with the elastic band, but if you watch my other Ririhair videos, it's in there, so check it out there. But that definitely helps with the secureness and how tight the wig is on your head. I like how it feels now. I feel pretty lightweight, you know. I don't feel like anything's tugging, pulling, grabbing my head back. I'm obsessed, sis. I'm really in love with this. It's very much a flirty hair color. I'm gonna go to Lee's house. He's gonna be like, who we got today? Who is this? This your wife. And I think what I love most is that I did not have to touch this hair in terms of color, because you guys know it's very difficult to find a good ash blonde that you don't need to like go through again and make it a little bit ashier or whatever. So if you watch my other blonde bob, you can see it was not as ashy and it's more of like a bright, like, oh, which I was surprised I liked it on me, but this is the color that I feel comfortable with and I love it. I feel like a whole new woman with this. So I will have all of Ririhair's links in the description box below. Be sure to check them out if you want to purchase this unit. I've got the link below for you, or any other units. They're all very, very beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, girl. If you're new here, don't forget to press that subscribe button and click the bell notifications, because some of y'all, I see comments, you're like, I didn't know you uploaded. I'm like, well, sis, did you turn on the bell? Now I know YouTube be tripping sometimes, but like, turn that bell on, girl. But I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.